My name is Alex. I live in New York City. The city is big and noisy. Cars run fast. People walk faster. I work in a small coffee shop. Every morning, I make coffee. Some people smile, some look busy. One day, a girl came in. Her name was Emma. She had soft eyes and a calm face. She said, "Can I get a coffee, please?" I smiled and gave her the cup. Our fingers touched. My heart felt strange. After that day, Emma came every morning. We talked a little. We laughed a little. One evening, I walked with her near the river. The city lights were shining. She said, "Life is hard, but love makes it easy." I looked at her and smiled. I felt happy inside. In a big city like New York, I found a small, beautiful love.